What is up guys, Anders here. Welcome to episode number 7 of FPT. This is where your favorite YouTubers features their favorite piece of tech. Let's get started.
What's up guys, I'm Randomfrankp, and one of my favorite pieces of tech has definitely been the Mighty Player. This is essentially like a mini iPod shuffle, but what it does is it links exclusively to your Spotify account. You can sync it all, have all your songs on here, and not even need your phone with you when you take this out on a jog or to the gym or anything. It's really interesting. And since you don't need your phone on you when you're down, say if you're on a jog, that's really great because this thing is so tiny and lightweight. Clip it to your pants or your shirt and be on your way. So checking it out, it has your usual controls of an MP3 player. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can use your favorite pair of headphones or earbuds. But it also has built-in Bluetooth, so you can pair it to Bluetooth speakers or your own set of Bluetooth earbuds, making this thing 100% wireless. So everything is controlled from the Mighty app. Like I said, you sync it to your Spotify account. Side note, you do have to have Spotify Premium, and it will download all of your playlists over Wi-Fi right to the Mighty Player. No cables needed. You never have to hook it up to your PC or anything. And say if you update your Spotify playlist, it will auto sync to the Mighty as well. But one thing I really appreciate is the continued development and support of the Mighty. The developers keep updating this via the firmware updates, and they've done things like extend the battery life on this. They've added an auto shuffle feature and stuff, which they didn't have before. So it's great to see the continued support. And again, never need to have any cables or anything hooked up to this, to your PC, to your phone, none of that. It syncs all your songs to this over Wi-Fi, and you don't even need your phone with you when you're out at the gym or on a jog. A completely wireless Spotify player, something really, really cool. I picked it up for under $100, which I think is a great value for this. Again, it's called the Mighty. So hope you guys enjoy it. Again, I'm Randomfrankp, and I hope to see some new faces over on my channel soon.
Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Adil, and a huge shout out to Anders from FuryPixel for inviting me to this collaboration video. And let's get started with my favorite piece of tech. Now, my favorite piece of tech is the recently acquired one more triple driver in-ear headphones. I honestly can say I was simply blown away while listening to these. They are just so accurate and give me a perfect listening experience to the way the sound was meant to be produced by the producer or the artist. Music is also detailed with a good sense of space, and instruments are layered, and complex songs don't sound muddled, with each instrument being very audible. While there are more detailed in-ear headphones on the market, you'll have to pay much more for the minute increase in performance. Now, these earphones come with a 3-button remote which works on iOS and Android, which most earphones can't do. That's why you have iOS and Android specific headphones or earphones, because they can't normally work with one or the other. After spending a few weeks with the one more triple driver in-ear headphones, I was simply blown away at how well these perform for the price. Now, there's very little I can fault these one more triple driver in-ear headphones for, apart from the rubber cable used, which is really a personal preference, and that's me being nitpicky, and the plastic remote control. There's nothing really else I can say wrong about these earphones, and that's again me being nitpicky. I think for the money it's hard to do better than the one more in-ear triple driver headphones. Well, that's it from me guys. If you guys like this product, then the link will be down below. And once again, thank you to Anders for inviting me to this tech collaboration, and hope to see you guys over on my channel. And thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey guys, Andrew here with the YouTube channel Verb. We're primarily speaking to new and expectant parents on our channel, but we also have some good pieces of home tech. And I gotta say, one of my favorite things that I've enjoyed so far has been the LIFX Tile. So LIFX Tile is a beautiful LED wall display. And now if you're familiar with LIFX, they're in the smart lighting department. They primarily compete with Philips Hue. Every LIFX bulb, not just a tile, but all LIFX bulbs pack up to 16 million colors. So you're getting beautiful colored lighting in your studio or your kitchen, your baby's nursery, or any part of the home where you decide to set this up. But the cool thing about Tile is that it is a wall display, similar to how you're going to be setting up the Aurora Nano Leaf. Another great thing about this light is that in total, between the 5 panels, you're getting about 2100 lumens out of this thing. So even when daylight is pouring into your room, you're able to see this thing with a great amount of ease, and it still leaves a pronounced footprint on the wall. LIFX smart lighting overall has been awesome for me. Their products have low latency, it's very responsive, very fast. I've got it integrated all throughout this office over here. And the addition of the Tile has been really great. I'm actually using the Tile right now as my main key light to help light me, as opposed to accent or ambient lighting. It's actually my main key, so there's function as opposed to aesthetics as well. So go check out LIFX lights, check out the tile. It's a great piece of product. It's about $250, so it is a little bit pricey, but it is very comparable to the Nanoleaf Aurora if you are looking for great LED wall lights. Take care, guys.
Hi all FuryPixel fans, I'm Dr. Hoodman from Droga Digital, and this is my favorite piece of tech. And now for this episode of my favorite piece of tech, I have something a little bit unusual, but it is still tech because you can plug it to the power and, well, it is intelligent. So what is this? What does it do and why I love this piece of tech? Well, it's a rice cooker. It's just a plain old simple rice cooker, but with a lot of automatic functions. The thing that I love of this is that you can prepare their cheap food, or for example, if you're a student or some guy who is going to work and you don't have any time for cooking, this is perfect for you. And I'm going to explain why. Because you just have to purchase Japanese rice or Chinese rice or that special kind of rice that goes with Asian food, and you just put the rice inside, put some water, and then just press start, and that's it. When it finishes, it just turns off automatically and you have a hot and really tasty meal. You can combine the rice with egg, with meat, or just some spicy sauce. Furikake in Japan is like, I know it's something for spicing up the rice, and it tastes really nice. This rice cooker, I purchased it directly in Japan. And the thing is that everything is in Japanese. But don't be afraid, because even if you don't know Japanese, you can use it. It just has one function, or the main function that non-Japanese people will use is just the automatic cook. You can do all other sort of stuff with this. You can do really specialized Japanese dishes that I don't know how to cook. But it doesn't matter because it does the job well of cooking rice. Here are the buttons. I will explain how it functions. It's really easy. This is for when you are ready to cook. Just press the cook button and it will start. Then when it finishes, it will turn on this. This one is for keeping the rice warm. But if you want to program the functions of the rice cooker, you just need to press this button and then you assign hours or minutes. And when you're done, you press start button and it will wait this amount of time before start the cook. Really simple. You have a retractable cord, so you can store it easily. So what do you think about my favorite piece of tech? It's a little bit weird, but really useful, especially if you love Japanese food.
So my favorite piece of tech for this episode, my friends, is this guitar. This is the Jackson Pro Series Signature Chris Broderick Solist 6. And this guitar, my friends, is amazing, and not just for the badass looking. This guitar is a beautiful one-piece build and boasts an arc top, mahogany body, and through body maple neck. This is the 6 strings version with rosewood fingerboard with 24 jumbo frets. Of course, as with most Jackson guitars, it comes with Floyd Rose and a special tremolo. This version it comes with a Dunlop locking strap buttons to make sure that you don't drop the guitar when things get intense. It has a 3-position pickup switch, 2 basic knobs, one for the volume and one for the tone, and my favorite, the mini toggle kill switch that allows you to mute the pickups, creating cool effects. One of the things that I love this guitar is that the jack is inverted to the top, so when you plug the cable, you won't have that problem that you step with the cable and just plug it out, and this is a very cool app. But one of the main reasons why I bought this guitar is because of the signature DiMarzio CV6 pickups. That sounds dope. Here is a small demonstration. Overall, this is an excellent guitar with a unique form and a killer sound. And that's all for this episode. Favorite piece of tech, my friends? Let me know which is yours on the comment section below. Thanks a lot to all the great YouTubers who was on this video collaboration. I will leave to you their YouTube channel linked on the description below. And in case you want to support the channel, don't forget to give that thumbs up, share the video and subscribe. On that way you won't miss any of my future videos and content. And your good friend FuryPixel, see you next time.